Eleanor Roosevelt says, "With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts." In a world that constantly evolves, growth mindset is a compass that points towards endless possibilities. It's about understanding that our abilities and intelligence can be developed with dedication, perseverance, and the right strategies. Through this series, we will explore the incredible impact that affirmations can have on fostering a growth mindset. Affirmations are simple but have the power to rewire our thoughts and beliefs. Now, you might wonder, why affirmations? Why this particular tool? Well, affirmations serve as gentle reminders to our subconscious minds, gently nudging us towards a more optimistic and growth-oriented outlook. Through this series, we'll delve deep into various ways of cultivating a growth mindset. We'll not only understand the concepts of fixed and growth mindsets, but we'll also learn how to apply them in practical, actionable ways. Let us embark on this journey together, ready to unlock the boundless potential that lies within each and every one of us. Dalai Lama says, "The mind is like a parachute. It works best when it's open. A fixed mindset is like a locked door. It believes that our abilities, intelligence, and talents are set from birth. It whispers doubts in our ears when faced with challenges, telling us we're not capable of growth or change." On the other hand, a growth mindset is an open field, ready to be cultivated. It thrives on the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. It sees challenges as opportunities for learning, setbacks as stepping stones towards success. But why does this matter? Because our mindset shapes the lens through which we view the world. It determines how we approach obstacles, how we handle criticism, and how we navigate our journey towards personal and professional growth. Embracing a growth mindset brings multitude of benefits. It fosters a love for learning, a hunger for new experiences, and a resilience to move forward even in the face of adversity. It opens doors to untapped potential and unleashes creativity and innovation. Now, how do we transition from a fixed to a growth mindset? This is where affirmations come into play. Affirmations act as daily reminders, gently tap our minds towards a more open, growth-oriented perspective. They challenge the limiting beliefs that may have taken root over the years and replace them with empowering, affirming thoughts. As we progress through this series, we'll dive deeper into specific affirmations. We'll explore how these affirmations can become powerful tools in our journey towards personal development. So, let us approach with open hearts and open minds. Let us embrace the idea that our potential is not fixed, but rather boundless and waiting to be uncovered. Number 1. Affirmations for embracing challenges. Joshua J. Marine says, "Challenges are what make life interesting. Overcoming them is what makes life meaningful." Challenges are not roadblocks, but rather opportunities for growth and learning. However, it's natural to feel fearful when faced with a new challenge. This is where affirmations become our steadfast companions. They serve as our internal cheerleaders, reminding us of our capabilities and strengths. They whisper to our souls, "You are capable, you are resilient, and you can overcome anything." Let's explore some powerful affirmations for embracing challenges. First, "I am capable of handling any challenge that comes my way." This affirmation instills a sense of confidence and self-assurance. It reminds us that we possess the inner strength to navigate through difficulties. Second, challenges are opportunities for growth, and I welcome them with an open heart. This affirmation shifts our perspective, turning tasks into exciting adventures and self-discovery. As we repeat these affirmations daily, we reinforce the belief that challenges are not to be feared, but rather embraced. They are opportunities for us to stretch our capabilities and to discover strengths we never knew we had. So, let us commit to using these affirmations as our shields against self-doubt and fear. Number 2, affirmations for learning and improvement. Embracing growth mindset means understanding that learning is a lifelong journey. It's about recognizing that every day is an opportunity to expand our knowledge, refine our skills, and evolve into the best versions of ourselves. Affirmations play a pivotal role in reinforcing this belief. They act as gentle reminders that our potential for learning is boundless, and every new piece of knowledge is a stepping stone towards personal and professional growth. Let's explore some powerful affirmations for learning and improvement. First, "I am a lifelong learner, constantly seeking new knowledge and experiences." This affirmation anchors the belief that learning is not confined to classrooms, but it's a continuous process. Second, "With every challenge, I discover new ways to grow and improve. This affirmation encourages us to see challenges not as obstacles, but as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. These affirmations build a foundation of belief in our own capacity for continuous learning and improvement. We become active participants in our own growth, eagerly seeking out opportunities to expand our horizons. So, let us carry these affirmations with us, like lanterns illuminating the path of lifelong learning. Let us approach each day with a hunger for knowledge and a passion for growth. Number 3, overcoming setbacks with affirmations. Nelson Mandela once said, "The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall." Life presents us with challenges and setbacks, and in these moments, it's easy to doubt our abilities and even consider giving up. However, a growth mindset equips us with the resilience. It's about understanding that setbacks are not permanent roadblocks. Affirmations become our steadfast companions in these moments. They are the gentle whispers of encouragement that remind us of our strength and capacity to rise again, no matter how many times we fall. Let's explore some powerful affirmations to overcoming setbacks. First, I am resilient, and I bounce back from setbacks with grace and determination. This affirmation reminds us that resilience is a powerful force within us, ready to be summoned in times of adversity. Second, I learn and grow from every setback, emerging stronger and wiser. This affirmation acknowledges that setbacks are not failures, but rather lessons in disguise. These affirmations build a foundation of unwavering belief in our own resilience. We become warriors, ready to face any challenge that life throws our way. So, let us carry these affirmations with us like shields, protecting us from self-doubt and discouragement. Let them be the wind beneath our wings as we soar above setbacks, stronger and more determined than ever before. Number 4, cultivating a positive learning environment. Our surroundings have a profound impact on our mindset and our ability to learn and grow. A positive learning environment is like fertile soil, nurturing the seeds of knowledge and allowing them to flourish into vibrant, healthy plants. Affirmations act as the architects on this environment. They shape the atmosphere we inhabit, infusing it with positivity, encouragement, and a belief in limitless potential. Let's explore some powerful affirmations to cultivating a positive learning environment. First, I create a space of curiosity and exploration, where learning is a joyful adventure. This affirmation sets the tone for an environment that celebrates curiosity and encourages a love for learning. Second, mistakes are opportunities for growth, and we celebrate them as stepping stones towards success. This affirmation transforms the perception of mistakes, turning them into valuable learning experiences. These affirmations create spaces that nurture growth, curiosity, and a passion for learning. We create an atmosphere where individuals feel supported and empowered to reach their fullest potential. So, let us carry these affirmations with us as we shape the environments around us. Let them be the guiding principles that infuse our spaces with positivity, encouragement, and a belief in the boundless potential within each of us. Number 5, affirmations for personal and professional development. Personal and professional development is a continuous process. It's about setting our sights on becoming the best versions of ourselves, both in our personal lives and in our careers. Affirmations become our steadfast companions on this journey. They serve as our internal compass, guiding us towards our goals and reminding us of our potential for growth and transformation. Let's explore some powerful affirmations to personal and professional development. First, I set clear goals and take consistent action towards achieving them. This affirmation empowers us to be proactive in our pursuit of personal and professional success. Second, I am open to new opportunities and ready to step out of my comfort zone. This affirmation encourages us to seek out new experiences and expand our horizons. These affirmations create a foundation of belief in our own potential for growth and development. We become architects of our destinies, actively shaping the person we aspire to become. So, let us carry these affirmations with us as we navigate the journey of personal and professional development. Let them be the guiding stars that illuminate our path towards becoming the best versions of ourselves. Number 6, affirmations for innovation and creativity. Innovation and creativity are the engines of progress. They drive us to think beyond boundaries, to envision possibilities where others see limitations. Embracing a growth mindset means understanding creativity is not fixed, but a skill that can be nurtured and developed. Affirmations become our allies in this journey. They fuel our imagination, break down barriers, and inspire us to see the world through a different lens. Let's explore some powerful affirmations to fostering innovation and creativity. First, I am a vessel of limitless creativity, and my ideas flow freely and abundantly. This affirmation ignites the belief that creativity is an innate part of who we are, and it knows no bounds. Second, I welcome challenges as opportunities to think outside the box and find innovative solutions. This affirmation encourages us to approach challenges with a mindset of creative problem solving. These affirmations unlock the gates to a realm of boundless potential. We become fearless explorers, unafraid to venture into uncharted territories of thought and imagination. So let us carry these affirmations with us as we embark on creative journeys. Let them be the sparks that ignite the fires of innovation and guide us towards new horizons of possibility. Number 7, affirmations for leadership and influence. Leadership is not merely a position of authority, it is a responsibility to inspire, guide, and empower others towards a common goal. Embracing a growth mindset in leadership means recognizing that both leaders and their teams have the potential to learn, grow, and achieve beyond what they initially believe is possible. Affirmations become the voice of a growth-oriented leader. They inspire confidence, foster a culture of continuous improvement, and build a foundation of trust and collaboration. Let's explore some powerful affirmations to leadership and influence. First, I lead with authenticity, empathy, and a commitment to the growth and well-being of my team. This affirmation emphasizes the importance of genuine connection and care in effective leadership. Second, I am open to feedback and continuously seek to improve as a leader. This affirmation encourages a growth-oriented mindset in leadership, valuing feedback as a catalyst for improvement. These affirmations create a culture that values growth, collaboration, and mutual respect. We become leaders who inspire, nurture, and guide, recognizing that our own growth is intertwined with the growth of those we lead. So, let us carry these affirmations with us as we step into our roles as leaders and influencers. Let them be the guiding principles that shape our leadership journey and inspire those we lead. As we conclude, we've learned that affirmations are not mere words. They serve as reminders of our potential, gently move us towards a more positive and growth-oriented outlook. With each affirmation, we sow the seeds of belief in our own capabilities, watering them with persistence and dedication. From embracing challenges to overcoming setbacks, from creating positive learning environments to fueling innovation and creativity, affirmations have been our steady companions, guiding us towards a path of self-discovery and growth. May you carry the torch of growth mindset forward, illuminating the path for yourself and those around you, and wishing you a journey filled with growth, learning, and boundless success. Thank you, and stay blessed.